Hello, Odooers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Today we will see how to print meeting minutes report and also create tasks from the form view. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here module Dev Meeting Minutes Print. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to calendar and go to anyone like a requirement review and see here is both meeting agenda and meeting minutes. Now meeting presenter is Azure, note taker is Deco Edit, meeting notes is a selection player, meeting location is online, and next meeting date is 10 August. Now meeting agenda is a selection of players and description is a select players and related meeting is a requirement review. Now add location, online meetings and set here time. Let's save. Now next is meeting minutes. Now add agenda. I did create selection of players, so display here, and based on agenda auto load here description. Now select project like office design, action by admin, and deadline is 20 August. And see here this display button create task. I can easily create it. First save and now create task. So see here name is a selection of players, project office design, description, action by is admin, and deadline date is 20 August. Now click on this create task. So see here your task is created. Now click on for view. So see here display all details. Now I want to print this meeting report. Now click on and see here your printed report and display here all details. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.